Hello and welcome back to the Coder Shop channel. In today's video, we're diving into group payments in Odoo 18. This feature allows businesses to process multiple payments at once, whether for vendor bills or customer invoices. Instead of making separate payments for each bill, we can combine them into a single transaction, streamlining financial management and saving time. Now let's jump into Odoo and see it in action. First, open the accounting module and navigate to the bills section where we can see multiple bills from different vendors. Let's say we want to group a few payments for a specific vendor. In this case, I select multiple bills from Deco Edict. Then we'll click the Pay button. This brings up a pop-up window where we can select the journal, choose a payment method, use the total amount due, and set the transaction date. There is also an option to group payments, which allows us to combine multiple bills into a single payment per vendor, instead of processing them separately. From here, we can add a memo for reference and specify the recipient's bank account. Once everything is set, we'll click Create Payment, and just like that, two bills are merged into one transaction. Now we can manage the payment directly from here, or we can find it under the Vendor Payments section. Next, we'll validate it, which moves the payment to paid status. Under the Bill Smart button, we can see which bills were included in this group payment. Since they are still waiting for reconciliation, their status remains in payment. This feature is not just for vendor bills, you can use it for customer invoices as well. The process is exactly the same. Let's open Invoices instead of Bills, select multiple invoices, click the Pay button, enable group payment, and confirm. One last thing I want to highlight is that in previous Odoo versions, there is no Pay button at the top. Instead, after selecting invoices or bills, you'd need to click the gear icon and choose Register Payment. It's a slight difference, but the overall process remains the same. And that's it. Now you know how to process multiple transactions at once, saving time and simplifying financial operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo tutorials. See you in the next one.